What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning about how to link to the same page. Now at this point we have all the context we want, or all the contents we want on our page. Since we have so much content, it doesn't fit all on the screen. How do we make it easier for a user to jump to different portions of our page? When users visit our page, we want them to be able to click a link and have the page automatically scroll to a different section. Now, in order to link to a target on the same page, we must give the target an ID. Now, you can give like this. So you have a paragraph element right here. So you have a paragraph right here, right? So you have an ID equals top, and then this is the top of the page, and then H1 bottom, and this is the bottom. Okay. So in this example, the paragraph element is assigned to an ID of top, and the H1 element is assigned bottom. An ID can be added to most elements on a web page. An ID should be descriptive to make it easier to remember for the purpose of a link. The target link is a string containing the hashtag character and the target's ID. So in the example above, the links paragraph ID equals top and H1 ID equals bottom are embedded in an ordered list. Remember, OL, ordered list. An ID is especially helpful for organizing content belonging to a div. Now, under the H1 element, that says brown bear right here, create an unordered list with the following three list items. Okay, an unordered list. Okay. So let's go ahead and create an unordered list. And how do we do that? And simply just use the URL and put /UL, and we have li /li, and just copy, paste, and then we have introduction, we have the habitat, and then finally we have the media, right? Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and run it. That should be squared away. Now, wrap the text of each element, of each item in the ordered list in an anchor element. Okay. Each anchor tag should link to the corresponding div on the page. The anchor element that contains introduction links to hashtag introduction. Okay, so let's see. Can simply wrap this, right? Okay, so wrap as in, I see. So this gets wrapped over that. So essentially it's like this. You have the A, and then you have the /A, right? Okay, now what happens is, like right here, you put href equals hashtag introduction. Basically like that, right? Let me go ahead and do it. Yeah, perfect, right? Okay. And we're gonna do the same thing for all of these. So let me just go ahead and copy so I don't have to continuously remake the same thing, but what were the things? Habitat, media. So this would be hashtag media, this would be hashtag habitat. And run it. And there you go. Introduction, it links to introduction. Habitat links to habitat, and media links to media. That is actually so cool. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Have a great day. And yeah.